In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell books on eBay in 2025. Whether you're trying to declutter your shelves or make some extra cash, selling books online can be a great way to pass on those cherished reads to someone who'll appreciate them just as much as you have. Let's break down this process into easy to follow steps. First, let's start by searching for your book on eBay. You can do this by either entering the title or, for greater accuracy, the ISBN. This will give you an initial idea of what's already out there in terms of availability and demand. Once you have these results, it's time to apply the sold items filter. This step is crucial because it lets you see the prices that similar books have actually sold for, providing you with realistic expectations. Next, take a closer look at the details of your book. What edition do you have? Is it a first edition, a signed copy, or perhaps out of print? Consider the condition. Is it new, like new, or perhaps just acceptable? Assessing the demand is equally important. Books like college textbooks or those covering niche topics often have heightened demand, as do rare copies. Now that you have a clear understanding of your book's market, you're ready to create your listing. Navigate to My eBay, scroll through to Selling, then Listings, and finally hit Create a Listing. Here you'll want to start by entering the ISBN or title of your book. eBay typically helps by auto-filling details associated with this information, ensuring everything is accurate. But don't rush through, double check every detail and make necessary edits. Your listing should effectively communicate what you're selling, and this starts with a compelling title. Use keywords that highlight key selling points like hardcover first edition or any other attractive features. Adding clear photographs is your next step. Showcase the front cover, spine, back cover, and that all-important ISBN. This goes a long way in building potential buyers' confidence. A blunt and honest condition description will maintain trust with your buyers. Being upfront about any wear or tear, or lack thereof, can prevent potential return requests. When setting your price, consider using buy it now for a set price, especially if what you have isn't particularly rare. However, if you're selling a collectible or rare edition, an auction could fetch a higher price than you expect. To boost the appeal of your listing, consider offering free shipping. It's an attractive perk for potential buyers and could differentiate your listing from others. Once you've filled out all required details, don't forget to click List It to make your book live for sale. And there you have it, you've successfully listed your book on eBay, all set to find it a new home. Keep these steps in mind for each book you want to sell, and you'll be navigating your sales like a pro. Happy selling!